Let's take a look at the Fisher-Price Laugh and Learn Learning Vacuum. So this is great for your toddler who sees you cleaning the house and wants to join in, but of course they can't do that with a real vacuum cleaner, and so this gives them their own option. And it's super fun. You can switch it on the side here. There's this little on and off switch where you can control the volume. And then once it's on, there's all kinds of buttons and things they can press. You can see we get light, we get movement. It's funny, there's a big on and off switch here. This is not actually the on and off switch, which I didn't necessarily realize the first time. The one for parents is sort of hidden away on the side. This is the one they can use to switch things on and off. Easy to push around. I got a little handle on the back. It's super colorful. Comes assembled, which is great. And they can, again, push this. Now, the batteries are replaceable, which is great, and obviously it's not a real vacuum. It's just pretend, it's just fun for them to push around. The one thing I would say is that it is very small. So I got it thinking, oh, maybe my 3-year-old will be able to use it. He can, but it is very, very tiny. So he has to kind of like lean over even to push it. So this is really for your littlest kids. I would say, 2 years old would be the perfect fit for this, where they can stand and walk with it and understand what they're doing, but they're not too tall. Or if you've got a smaller 3-year-old, I think that would be fine. I really wouldn't say that it would work for kids over age 3 in the most cases. I think it's really that very young age group, and I think it would work fine for really any time from when they're walking up to that point. So just keep that in mind. Not big, not something your 5-year-old is going to be able to play with. And final piece, we just got this kind of tactile little spinner on the front, which is fun too, not electronic. Even if the batteries run out, they can still use that. So super fun. Involve your kid, get them used to the idea of chores at a very young age.